Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. So in today's training, I'll be showing you guys how to design a digital trading online platform just like Binance. Okay, so I'll show you how you can be able to get this done, and you can go ahead to charge your clients between $1,000 to $2,000 to get this done for them, right? So just lean on my shoulder, let me show you the exact steps and procedures on how to do this. Okay, so this site actually is a multilingual website where you can trade cryptocurrencies, you can also trade stocks, FX, and the rest of them. It's a very advanced trading online platform, right? So on the dashboard section, you can be able to sign up for an account. You can click on sign up to create an account. Okay, so when you click on the sign up button, it will take you to a section where you create your account. But let me log out. I already have an account created. Okay, so let me log out to actually show you what the registration page looks like, right? So let me quickly do that. Alright, so you can see this what the sign up page looks like. So what you do here is you sign in. You can sign up using your username or your email, right? But this is actually for the login section. If you don't have an account, just click on sign up at the top here. Okay, you'll be taken to a section where you sign up using your username, your email, and the rest of them. Once that has been successfully done, you can now sign in to your account. Just click on sign in. Okay, and you can also, this site also has a dark and light interface, so you can enable that. Okay, so I already have an account, so I'll quickly go ahead and sign into my account. Okay, this is actually my account information. Let me sign in to my account. Okay, this is what the user dashboard looks like. You can see on my left section, you get to see your dashboard where you can manage your order, trade history, manage wallets, deposit history. That's in the left section of this platform. So let's click on manage order to see what we have. Okay, on the manage order, there's nothing here yet. We have not placed any order. You can see that we have not placed any orders. Okay, so when you come down to trade history, there's no trade for the moment. There's no trade, but if you want to initiate a trade, just click on this trade section. Okay, it will take you to the trading bar where you initiate a trade. Okay, but we have not actually pair a trade I want to go into, so that's for it for the meantime. For the manage wallets, where you also get to manage your wallet information, if actually it's a crypto, fiat, that's your country currency, and the rest of them. Okay, that's where you also get that done. The deposit history, we have not done any deposit history. Okay, the withdrawal history, we have not actually done anything like that for now. So that's actually for this. So let me quickly log into the admin dashboard to see what we have in the admin dashboard. Okay, so this is the admin URL. So to log in, let me log in to my admin dashboard. Sorry about that. Let me reload this site. My network is bad. Sorry about that. Awesome. So you can see this what our admin dashboard looks like. On the total users, you get to see this the user. We already have one user for the meantime. Okay, due to we just sign up for users, only a user, so that's why we are already having one user. So on the manage order section, this is where the admin can open order, and also get to view the order history. Okay, so when you come down to the trade history, you also get to see the trade informations, but we don't have any trade running at the moment. Okay, so when you come down to the manage currency section, under currency, you also get to see you can click on create currency, right? So you just put in the name of, let's say once you can create a Bitcoin currency. Okay, just when you've done that, you upload the Bitcoin icon and click on submit. Okay, so that is very easy. For the fiat currency section, you can also create your fiat currency section. Okay, just what you do here is click on new and also create your currency. It can be dollar, you can name it dollar, upload a dollar icon. Okay, so it's quite easy, it's very easy. So on the manage market section, you can create a new market. Okay, example BTC market, right? So you take your time, you can do that, it's quite easy to do. Okay, so under it we also have manage coin pair. This way you can create coin pair. You can create, let's say, USDT to BTC. Okay, well, on this you can select the currency, but this will be after you have created a currency, right? So you put in the minimal buy amount, sell amount, percent charge for buy. Okay, you put in these informations. Okay, so we have not created a pair list, but when you click on pair list, you get to also see the different currency pairs. Okay, so that's for that. So when you come down to manage users, on this section you get to see your active users. Okay, you can see this is the account that we recently created. When you click on details, you get to see this user details, right? This is the user details. Okay, you can choose to verify this. Okay, just a tap, you can choose to verify this information. Okay, so you can ban user, you can log in as user, you can view the notifications, you can view the user logins, they can view the user balance, or can modify anything you want on this section. Okay, so on the ban user button, on the ban user section, you get to see users that are being banned from this site, right? So that's it. Okay, so when you come down to the manage referrals, you also get to manage the deposit commission, trade commission. This is where you set it up. If you want your referrals to get commission when someone sign up with their referral link, this is where you put in the amount you like them to get as a commission. Same for the trade. Okay, you can also click on disable now to disable this particular feature, right? But we just enable this, these features, right? So just a tab, you'll be able to enable that. Okay, that's for it. So when you come down to the payment gateway, we have the automatic payment gateway. We will also have the manual gateways, right? So on the automatic payment gateways, let's see what we have. Okay, in this section we have the blockchain, we have the BTC Pay, we have the coin market cap. Okay, so we also have Flutterwave on this section. You can see this is a really advanced trading platform. So let's actually check for Flutterwave. Okay, when you click on the edits, what you do here is go to your Flutterwave account, copy your public key, you also copy your secret key. Okay, you also add the encryption key. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and submit. Okay, and also in this section you can also put in your minimum amount and the maximum amount you want to probably withdraw, and also the service charge, right? So that's actually for the automatic gateway. Okay, so when you come down to the manual gateway, let's see what we have. The manual gateway, I don't think we already have any, but we can create one. You can create one in the manual payment gateway. Example of a manual payment gateway is we have the Bitcoin. Okay, you can create a Bitcoin where you can name this Bitcoin. Okay, the currency, you can name it BTC. Okay, you put in the minimum amount. Okay, so once you have done that, you also put in the fee charge. This deposit instruction, you paste in your Bitcoin wallet address. This is where you paste that. Okay, so once that has been added, you go ahead and submit. Okay, so that's for it. Also, when you come down to the deposit section, you get to see pending deposits. We get to see pending deposits, approved deposits, successful deposit, rejected, initiated deposits, and also up deposits. Okay, that's on the post deposit section. Okay, so that's loading up. Okay, so you can see on all deposits, you can see there's no deposit at the moment. Okay, so that's for it. Initiated deposits, we don't have no information on this at the moment. So down to withdrawals, this is where you get to view your users whenever they place a withdrawal on the site, and you can also configure the withdrawal method. Okay, what you do here is when you click on the withdrawal method, you can click on add new. Okay, you can add a withdrawal method on this section. Okay, so you put in the information. Your clients can withdraw through Bitcoin and PayPal and the rest of them. They'll just put in the necessary information you need on this particular section. Okay, so on the support ticket, that's where they can you get to see pending tickets, closed tickets, answer tickets. Maybe if your client has questions and the rest of them, this is where you also get that. So on the report section, you have the transaction log, the login history. Okay, this site also actually has so much features. Okay, same thing when you come down to the notification history, you get to see the notification history informations. Okay, and click on subscribers, you see subscribers. Okay, same for your general settings. When you come down to general settings, let's see what we have in our general setting. Okay, that's coming up. Alright, so you can see our general settings. You can change the name of the site, okay, and also the currency. You can choose euro and also the symbol. Okay, you also you can put in the decimal abstract number. You can also change the color of the site, right? So time zone, you can also select time zone on this section. Once that has been done, you click on submit. When you come down to your cron job setting, this way you also be able to apply your cron job setting. You can add, you can schedule. Click on the cron schedule to view all these informations. Okay, so these are in actions. You can choose to pause, you can choose to edit. Okay, so take your time, go through these informations. Okay, so when you come down to the system configuration, let's see what we have. Okay, alright, this is the system configuration information. You can choose to disable or enable this feature, just like KYC verification. You can choose to disable or enable this. You can toggle and toggle off this information. You can also toggle and toggle off this information. Okay, so it has so many features. Same for the SMS notification. You can toggle and off any of these informations. Okay, so on the pusher configuration, let's see what we have on the pusher configuration. This loading up, my network is slow. Alright, so on this chart settings, you can see this the configurations. Well, this has been done for you. This can be done for you. This has been done for you already, but you can also, you know, this compiles. This is actually the trading view widget. Okay, so don't modify, because the trading view has actually been done for you. So on the social credentials, let's see what we have here. You can disable this. Okay, you can disable this, or you enable this information, but actually it is enabled. Okay, so yeah, you come down to currency data provider. Let's see what we have. Okay, for the coin market cap, you can go ahead and configure this, putting the API key of your coin market cap, but you must already have an account with them. So that's for it. So when you come down to the logo and favicon, this is where you actually you can browse and select a logo that you want to use. Okay, same for the favicon, you choose the favicon you want to use. Okay, so that's for it. Extensions, let's see what we have. Okay, these are the extensions. We can configure this. You can enable or disable this. When we click on enable, we'll be able to enable these extensions. Okay, talk to Google, reCAPTCHA, and the rest of them. No. Okay, so you can enable this or disable it. Okay, when you also click on configure, you'll be able to put in their APIs and every other stuff needed, right? So that's for the extensions. When you come down to the language section, on the language section, you should be able to configure the language or select language that you want. It's loading up. You can see this is what we have in the language section. We have the Hindi, we have the Bangla, we have the Spanish. So you can edit this. Okay, you can edit this, and that's for it. So SEO manager, KYC, just later on you take your time and go through these informations. These are actually the KYC. You can modify this, take your time, you modify all these features. Okay, so that's for it. Okay, so let me quickly show you how to set this up. As usual, the first thing you need to do is come to namecheap.com. Okay, on namecheap.com, you firstly get your domain name and host name. I usually recommend these sites for your domain name and hosting. Alright, so you can see this is what the homepage of the site looks like. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is search for the domain name you want to use. Let's say finance. Okay, so type in the name of the site you want to use. Just click on search. Okay, it's coming up. Let's see if that name is actually available. Binance V. As you can see, the name is available, and this is gonna cost us like $10. So what you do is click on add to cart. Once you have added that to cart, what you do is come down to the hosting, then select shared hosting. On the shared hosting section, you can select any of the hosting plans. We can get started with this. Okay, so once that has been done, it's coming up. This is what we have. Alright, so once that has been done, you can see we get to select your domain name, which is this. Then you click on add to cart. Alright, so Let me remove this. You can see this is the domain name that we selected, and this is the hosting plan, right? So this everything is gonna cost us $33 total. So when you click on confirm order, you'll be taken to a section where you put in your card informations, your card password, codes, and the rest of them. So after you have initiated your payment, Nepchip is gonna give you access to your cPanel username and password, right? So this is my cPanel username and password. Let me quickly go to the home page, so I will show you guys what the home page looks like. Okay, this is coming up. This is the home page of my cPanel. You can see this is what the home page looks like. So what you want to do is you click on your file manager. Alright, so you can see that's open up. So on your file manager section, the file that I'm going to give you, please upload it directly on public_html, right? Upload directly on public_html. Just select this, then click on upload. Okay, you upload the file that I'm going to give you. But I'm using this for a tutorial video. I already have a subdomain where I want to upload this, right? So I'll go ahead and upload this on my subdomain. Okay, then click on upload. Alright, this is the software, so I will go ahead and click on open. Alright, so this is coming up. My software is coming up. Okay. Alright, briefly you can see we have successfully uploaded our scripts, so make sure this turns green before you go back. Okay, so you can see this is the software. So what we do right here is you extract this. Okay, so on your own site, I'll extract directly to public_html. Okay, our files are extracting. Yeah, that's still extracting. Alright, we are done extracting our file, so close this. Okay, you open this folder, then select all of this and move directly to your domain name, okay, or your site name, but yours will be directly on public_html. Okay, remove the files, then you click on move files. Okay, so let's see our script. Let's see that site. Alright, this is what we have. Okay, so let's quickly load up our site to see what we have actually. Let's see what we have. Alright, so okay. Alright, let's change permission for this particular file. So to change the permission, what you do is open the core, open this, then on bootstrap, open bootstrap, the cache, we have to change the permission. So right click and click on change permission, then you tick this button. It should be 775. Then you click on permission, click on change. Okay, you go back, and for the storage you also change permission. Right click, change permission, you tick this button. Okay, it should be 775. So you also open storage. On the storage on the app, you change permission. You also change that should be 775. Framework, you do the same thing. Okay, for the logs, I also change permission for logs. Alright, so we have successfully done that. So let's recheck if actually we have successfully. Also, you can see requirements, check pass. So you click on next step. Okay, so the next step now is to configure our database name. So to do that, let's quickly go ahead and create our database name. So search for my SQL wizard. Okay, my SQL wizard, this is it. So let's quickly create a database for that site. So you can name that script. Sorry. Okay, we can name it for the database name. We can name that script. Okay, username, we can also name that script. Okay, for the password, which password? No, we can generate a password. You can generate a password. So let's kind of use this for our password. So make sure you copy this out. Open our notes. Let's paste that right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on I've copied. Use password. Okay, then click on create. Right, so please make sure you copy out your database username because you're gonna need this. Okay, copy that and paste that right here. Okay, all privileges, select all privileges, then click on next. Okay, we have successfully done that. So let's go back and put in our database name. Okay, sorry, this is the database name that we created. So we copy that, put that right here. You know, it's same thing with the database username, so we also put that right here. For database host, just name it localhost. Then for the password, let's copy our password. This is our password. Copy this. We put our password right here. Okay, for the admin username, you put in the name you like to use for your admin. Password, let's say this is the password. Email, let's say I want to use this as my email. So once you have done that, make sure you don't do any mistake. Then go ahead and click on install now. You can see your system has been successfully installed. So let's quickly go to our site to activate. Awesome. So boom, you can see this beautiful. You can see what our site looks like. This is really awesome. So if you follow my step, you'll be able to get this done without having any issues. Okay, so to log into our admin will be our site name /admin. Admin. This is to log into the administrative end of the website. So when you put in the mail that will be used while doing the configuration and the password, then click on login, it will take us straight to the admin dashboard. You can see this is really awesome, right? This is really awesome. So this is really beautiful. So that's how you go about it. Okay, so if you're interested in getting the software that was used in developing this site, what you do is you can chat me up on the number displaying on this video, or you check the description box below this video. You see a link. Click on the link to get access to this file, right? So if you have any questions, drop it on the comment section or you chat me up. Okay, so if you need any kind of sites, if you need an upgrade or any web development, digital service or whatsoever, just chat me up on my WhatsApp so we can communicate further. Okay, so that's it. But please, if you're also new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe so you don't miss out whenever we drop important updates like this. Okay, so thank you very much guys, and see you guys on the next one.